Hi boys and girls, this is Nick J. back from Success Luminary. Welcome to this video series in this blog I'm uploading and basically customizing. In the last video we put in this banner, we resized and put this video in, and we've also put in these columns, these widgeted areas at the bottom, which are basically having to put in code, image code, in order for them to appear at the bottom, which link to various pages. So in this particular video, I'm now going to be showing you how to put a menu along here, which will look pretty much like this. This is what it used to look like. The reason I'm doing this video is because that some WordPress themes don't necessarily, your pages won't necessarily show up on the menu bar. So you can be publishing your pages, creating the pages, and they're not showing up on the menu bar. It's because you have to go into the menu area, which is situated down here under appearances, and manually create one. Other themes you don't have to. You can create a page and it will just appear. So the first thing to do is to get the URL of your home page. So we're not actually creating a home page because we've got a home page already. Now we want to enter a name. Press create. Okay, so now we want to put the URL in here. So I've already done that. Then we want to give it a name. The other thing is that if I was to press save now without giving it a name, even though I put home up here, it wouldn't appear. The link would be there, but it wouldn't appear. That's just for my reference. Up the top here is just for my reference. This is where you need to put it in order to see. Then you press add, and then save. Okay, and then we'll refresh again. Done. Again. Okay, so as you can see, it's here now, and the problem is that during this process I forgot to press this down which says primary navigation menu. So yeah, that's why it wasn't coming up. So you got to drop that down and select where you want it to go to. Right, now for the rest of the menu, what I will need to do is I will need to create the actual pages, and then those pages will appear in a list down here, or if I was creating categories they would appear down here as well, and I'll just pick one. So I will just do a I will just do a quick one. Add new page to my pages, about press publish. Then I'll go back to menus. Menus has disappeared, so menus is under appearance if it disappears. Back to menu. Now, there we go. I had to drop that down. I couldn't see from here. So I'll click on about. I can add that. Save menu. And there's about. Okay, I'm just going to do one more because I want to show you something quickly before I will cut it and then just do them all and then come back. So when I go to pages, normally what I would do just for speed is have two windows open at once. Classes with my page that I'm creating and the menu left open. Paste. Publish that. Go back to menu. Pages, local classes. Add that. Now here's where it gets interesting because as you can see we've got about, then we've got local classes. But we can, with this, if we can move these about, if I put that there, save, refresh, we can then move the order about. And then we can do one more thing as well, which if I put about, if I move it that way slightly, move my screen a bit, if I move it that way a little bit so it's kind of sticking out the end like that, so it's not straight, and then save it, what happens then is about has disappeared, but as you can see we've now got a drop down if you want to kind of create more space. So that's kind of quite good. So you can move it about, or you can skew it like that with the two movements. Okay, that's it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the video. I've added all these now, so I'm now going to have a look at them. Right, okay, so I'm going to move these around. Testimonials, contact us, that looks about right. Save that. And these should all be clickable. Right, that's it. That is how to create a menu within the menu area if your menus aren't coming up automatically when you're publishing your pages. This has been Nick J. Barrett. I shall see you on the next video, and please feel free to click the link below and check all that out. I'll speak to you soon.